Hello, today I am going to share with you how to derive direct linear equation for instrumentation and control. First, let me draw a simple graph so that it will be easier to explain. Okay, let me- okay, this one is a x axis and this one is a y axis. So the point here is xn or minimum x. The point here is button for my bad drawing. I know my drawing is very bad. Here is a x or maximum x. Then the point here is y and or minimum y. Then the point here is yx or maximum, sorry, yx or maximum y. Okay, and let's say I draw a dotted line here. It will become like that. Okay, so as we know, m equal to mo equal to m1 equal to m2 and so on. M stand for slope. So slope is changing y divided by changing x, right? So this is m or slope. The formula is a changing y divided by changing x. Okay, so we want to find the relationship between m and no. Okay, so m or the slope is changing y divided by changing x. This yx, okay, minus this yn divided by this xx minus xn. Okay, so m is yx minus yn divided by xx minus xn. Okay, so mo, what is o? O is offset. For example, if I extend the linear curve, okay, so this point is called C or offset. Is the point where the intercept happen between the linear curve and the y-axis. Okay, so the x at this y-axis is called xo, where it is equal to 0 because at y-axis the x is equal to 0 always. Okay, so if I draw a line here, it becomes a triangle like that. So let's say this one is MO or slope O. Okay, so this MO is changing y per changing x, right? So this yn minus C divided by xn minus xo. Alright, so yn minus, sorry, C is offset divided by xn minus x naught. Okay, so m equal to mo, where mo is yn minus c divided by xn. This xo is 0. Okay, so rewrite the equation, it becomes yn minus c multiplied by m, sorry, rewrite the equation, it become m xm equal to yn minus c. So yn equal to mxn plus c. Okay, this is a linear equation. Or you can derive the linear equation by finding the relationship between the m and the m1. Okay, m and n1. So if I write this equation, it will be m equal to m1. m1 equal to this. Let's say I find the y1 here. Okay, if I draw a dotted line, this will be my x1. Okay, as we know, slope 1, the slope means changing y divided by changing x. So this y1 minus yn divided by x1 minus xn. So it will be y1 minus yn divided by x1 minus xn. Okay, so rewrite the equation, it will become y m multiply x1 minus xn equal to y1 minus yn. Okay, so y1 equal to mx1 minus xn plus yn. So this is another formula for the linear equation. Okay, you can either use this formula or this formula in our calculation to find the instrumentation value based on the given signal. In my next video, I will give an example of calculation based on these two linear equations that I derived now. Okay, thanks. That's it.